Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two innovative crypto trading platforms, BullX Neo and GMGN. Both are making waves in the world of meme coin trading, especially on the Solana blockchain. We'll explore their features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and help you decide which might be the better fit for your trading needs. Let's get started. BullX Neo is an advanced AI-powered trading bot designed for speed, efficiency, and security. It offers seamless integration with both web and Telegram interfaces, allowing traders to access the fastest and most efficient trading experience available. BullX Neo provides cutting-edge automation tools such as limit orders, DCA, and sniper trading, ensuring that you maximize profits while minimizing risks. It's tailored for both beginners and experienced traders, offering a comprehensive suite of tools to enhance your trading experience. How about GMGN.ai? GMGN is a data platform aimed at faster meme coin discovery and trading. It offers a range of features including anti-MEV protection, smart money tracking, P&L statistics, trading signals, and more. GMGN provides two Telegram bots, a token sniper, and a contract scanner, as well as Telegram channels with pump alerts, LP burns, and new LP notifications. Currently, GMGN operates on Ethereum, Solana, Base, Tron, and Blast chains, making it a versatile tool for traders across multiple blockchains. Now let us talk about the main features of the platforms. First, BullX Neo. Sniper trading. You can catch new token launches instantly and secure the best prices. Security audits. Real-time risk analysis to avoid scams and rug pulls. Multi-wallet and multi-accounts. You can manage multiple wallets and accounts seamlessly. Limit and DCA orders. You can set limits to buy or sell and automate dollar cost averaging strategies. Copy trade. You can follow top traders and replicate their successful strategies automatically. Cross-chain trading. You can trade across multiple blockchains effortlessly, maximizing trading opportunities. Real-time market insights. You can stay ahead with instant access to market trends, token analytics, and whale movements. Instant execution. You can enjoy lightning-fast trade execution with optimized gas fees. Now let us talk about the features of GMGN. User-friendly interface. It has a comprehensive and intuitive interface, making cryptocurrency trading accessible for both beginners and advanced traders. Advanced trading tools. Wallet tracking, which helps you monitor multiple Solana wallets effectively. Dex Screener, which are built-in market analysis tools. Sniper bots, these are automated trading strategies. And copy trading, which allows you to follow successful traders' strategies. There are also security considerations. There are advanced wallet security measures, there is real-time monitoring systems in place, and automated risk management. Now let us talk about the pricing. For BullX Neo, there's a standard fee of 1% per transaction whether you buy or sell collected in Solana. Early access discounts. If you use an access code, that drops the fee to 0.9%. And connecting via Telegram ships up an extra 10%, making it more competitive. There are gas fees too. Since it operates on Solana, gas fees are minimal, but still apply alongside BullX costs. How about GMGN? The trading fee is also 1%. There's a blocksroutes.sol fee, which is 1.8%, and the total transaction cost will be 2.8%. So now let us talk about the pros and cons of each. First, the pros of BullX Neo. Advanced trading automation tools are in place, real-time security audits and risk analysis, multi-wallet and multi-account management is possible, cross-chain trading capabilities, and higher user satisfaction rates. How about the pros of GMGN? Comprehensive and intuitive interface, also advanced trading tools like wallet tracking and sniper bots, real-time monitoring systems are also in place with automated risk management. Now what about the cons? For BullX Neo, some users have reported issues with fund withdrawals, and sometimes fee can be high for small trades. And for GMGN, there's higher total transaction cost compared to BullX Neo, and limited information on user satisfaction and performance is available at the moment. So here's the big question: which platform is better? Both BullX Neo and GMGN offer robust features for crypto traders, especially those interested in meme coins. While BullX Neo stands out with its advanced automation tools, real-time security audits, and cross-chain trading capabilities, its integration with Telegram and high user satisfaction rates make it a compelling choice for traders that are seeking a comprehensive and efficient trading experience. GMGN, on the other hand, offers a user-friendly interface with advanced trading tools like wallet tracking and sniper bots. And its real-time monitoring systems and automated risk management are valuable features for traders that are looking for a secure trading environment. However, the transaction costs and limited transparency around its user feedback, that is GMGN, and also performance metrics may make some users hesitate before committing fully to it. So here's a simpler way to answer the question. If it's cost effectiveness, multi-chain support, and powerful automation that are your top priorities, then BullX Neo edges ahead. But if you're drawn to ease of use, market scanning tools, and multi-chain sniping bots, then GMGN still deserves a serious look. That's it on the comparison between BullX Neo and GMGN. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Unibots, Mestrobots, and Bananagon. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.